Did you know that love for the Ansar is a sign of true faith? But what does that mean for us today? In this video, we will explore why the Prophet ﷺ emphasized this powerful connection and how it can deepen our own faith. So, in this hadith, the Prophet said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith, and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. Now, what does it really mean? This hadith teaches us that love for the Ansar is a sign of true faith, while hatred toward them is a mark of hypocrisy. The Ansar were the residents of Medina who welcomed the Prophet ﷺ and the early Muslims with open hearts and supported the growth of Islam. Their generosity and unity symbolize the love and brotherhood that should exist within the Muslim community. Loving those who contribute to the betterment of the Ummah reflects strong faith as it aligns with the values of compassion and selflessness that Islam promotes. On the other hand, hatred toward the Ansar or anyone who supports and strengthens the community reflects hypocrisy as it undermines the unity that is central to our faith. So today, we must reflect on how we treat one another. Do we foster love and unity, or do we allow jealousy and division to take root? True faith is not just about personal belief, but about how we build and maintain our bonds with one another, just as the Prophet ﷺ emphasized in this hadith. So, as we wrap up, I would love to hear your thoughts. So, be sure to leave a comment below and share your reflections on the hadiths we discussed today. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others who might benefit from it. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.